Hello guys, this is my sixth capstone project Singapore Resale Flat Price Prediction. The problem statement of the project is develop a machine learning model and deploy it as a user-friendly web application. This predictive model will be based on the historical data of resale flat transaction. This is the IPONB file for the project. Importing necessary libraries, load the datasets from the CSV files. This data contains with the year 1990 to January 2017. After pre-processing and data cleaning, change the detect the text errors and detect the outliers of this feature using boxplat and remove the outliers using IQR interquartile range. Here is the one by one feature detecting outliers. After removing all the outliers, EDA had performed continuous features for this EDA using bar plot, numerical for scatter plot. After the EDA, encoding the categorical variables using label encoder and check the correlation between the features using heat map and split the data to X and Y. X means independent variable, Y means dependent variable, scaling the X extract data model fit. In this project, I had used it with four algorithms. One is K nearest neighbor regression, decision tree regression, random forest regression, XGBoost regression. Comparing after the when all the algorithms, comparing of these four algorithms, the random forest had more high R2 score and future importance for the random forest algorithm. Save this model using pickle file and some of example of the predicting the resale price, and go to the Python file or Streamlit and execute the file. Enter stream lit run, enter the file path. Streamlit page is running, and this is the front page of the Streamlit. Contains problem statement, objective, tools and technologies, which model I used in this project, auto prediction tab, process data. This is the final data I used for this algorithm. After the encode the all categorical variables, go to prediction tab. There is the values where which I want to enter to predict this sale. Select flat type, select flat model, enter the lower bound of the story range, and go to prediction and conclusion tab and enter the predict and conclusion button. This is the resale price of the selected flat, and I got some insights from the project. Resale price flats majorly depends on the stories in the flat area and proximity to amenities such as MRT stations, schools, shopping malls, parks. Older flats may have lower resale value, especially if they require renovation or if the lease is running out. Population growth and the change in demographies, urban development plans can influence the demand of housing in certain areas. Thank you, guys.